To forward voice messages on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then go to the chat section at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on the chat section, simply click on the chat whose voice message you want to forward. And if you hold on to the voice message, there's no one way to forward. So what you can do is scroll down the notification bar. Here, click on screen recorder at the top and then play the voice message and record it. After you've recorded it, after you've stopped the recording, go to the chat where you want to send the voice message. Then click on the image icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, all the images will pop up. Select the video, which is the screen recording. After you've selected the screen recording video, simply press on the arrow at the bottom right and send it. And this is how to forward voice messages on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.